This is a video by Rich Pin. Today we're going to be taking out an ignition lock cylinder off of a Gen 3 Saturn. First we need to remove this little piece right here. Now we need to remove these covers right here, and they're held on by 5.5 millimeter screws. There's two of them in these deep wells right here. Watch out you don't use an oversized socket and get them stuck in there. I'm using a special ground down socket. There's the top cover. And one more screw here. The bottom cover. Now turn your key to the accessory position, and then insert a small wire into the hole in the side of the cylinder here, and wiggle around on the cylinder and it will come right out. And there's the lock cylinder. What it does is the wire pushes on this little piece right here, and that's a piece that holds the lock cylinder in. And that's all to removing the lock cylinder on your Gen 3 Saturn.